Most people get this wrong. They assume all credit monitoring and financial insights apps are the same. But the surprising truth is that MyScore IQ offers a unique combination of credit tracking, financial guidance, and educational tools. MyScore IQ provides real-time access to your credit score, detailed reports, and actionable advice on improving your credit. You won't believe what happens next. The app also tracks spending habits, alerts you to unusual activity, and offers personalized recommendations to save money or reduce debt. For anyone looking to understand their financial health better, this app can be eye-opening. Setting it up is simple. After creating an account, you can link your credit profiles and bank accounts securely. The dashboard is intuitive, showing your current score, trends over time, and insights into what affects your credit most. The app also includes educational content to help users understand credit reports, loans, and financial planning. A few things to note. While MyScore IQ offers a free version, some advanced features require a subscription. Also, it's a tool for monitoring and education. It doesn't replace professional financial advice. In conclusion, MyScore IQ is a solid choice for anyone who wants a clear picture of their credit health, personalized insights, and practical tips to improve finances. It's especially helpful for first-time credit users or anyone looking to take control of their financial future. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews to stay on top of your money game.